The glute bridge march is a dynamic version of the glute bridge that challenges your core stability, glute strength, and hip control. It's excellent for building posterior chain strength while improving pelvic stability. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Lie on your back on a mat with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. 2. Place your arms at your sides, palms facing down. 3. Brace your core and lift your hips toward the ceiling until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. This is your glute bridge position. Marching motion. 4. While maintaining the bridge position, lift your right foot off the ground, bringing your right knee toward your chest to about a 90-degree angle. 5. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, keeping hips level and core tight. Lower the right foot back down with control. 7. Repeat on the left side. 8. Continue alternating legs for 8 to 12 reps. Reps per side or a set time, e.g., 30 to 60 seconds. Please check my next video.